So in this video, we are going to talk about how we are going to create a passport picture. So in doing that, first thing to do is create a new document, and in this window we are going to change the dimension from pixels to inches. The standard size or dimension for passport picture is 2 by 2 inches. So let's use 2 by 2 inches. You can change this depending on the dimension you want to use, and make sure the resolution is at 300 pixels. Next thing to do is create the document. So in this Photoshop window, we have the background where we are going to place our passport picture. The next thing to do is to bring in the picture we are going to use for the passport picture. In doing that, we'll go to File, Open, then select the image we want to use for the passport picture. Let's say I want to use this image for the passport picture. Next thing I will do is delete the background from the subject so that I can use the subject for the passport picture. In doing that, I'll go to Quick Selection tool and use Select Subject. So after Photoshop have selected the subject for me, I have to delete the background. Doing that, I will just copy the subject I've selected, then paste it. So in doing that, Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V, paste it. After pasting it, I'll move the subject from this Photoshop window to the window we are working on. The picture is big, that is why you are seeing this. So I'll size it to my preference. After sizing it, I'll position the picture for a standard passport picture. So this is how I'm going to do it. Now, after everything, my passport picture is ready. So to save this, I have to go to File, Export As to save the work I have just done. Hit Export to save everything. Now I'll select where I want to save it. For me, I'll choose desktop. You can choose any destination you want. You can name it anyhow you want. Now the passport picture is ready. Thanks for watching.